Now I will show you how to do Reddit research, or how to do research on Reddit. For example, you are a content creator and you wanted the trending topics to talk with. So I will show you how to do this on Reddit. Let's do it. So open Reddit. You have to create an account, and Reddit, it's going to take you directly to the home page, as you can see here. So easy and quick, just go to this search icon, and right now guys, as you can see, this is the trending for today. So this topic is trending right now. If you click here in the search bar and click A, you will find all the trending topics, that is starting with A. For example, for B, as you can see, C, D, or just for example, say war, and you will find here the trending topics for wars. And this is how I do research on Reddit. So I hope this video was useful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any question, just type it down in comments, and bye.